Hi, it's me Deepa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Be sure to look at my previous video where I showed you guys exactly where I shopped for all these delicious fruits. I shopped at Namdefco Farmers Market in Chaguanas. So check that out for sure. Namdefco Farmers Market is my favorite ever market. I love going there and I love that they are taking COVID so seriously. There are sinks at both entrances and they are taking your temperature and they are also monitoring the amount of people entering and exiting the farmers market. So I love that. Anyway, so this is how I peel my pineapple and this is how I think it is easiest for me, and I hope that version works for you as well. So don't throw your skin away. I keep my skin, and keep looking till the end so you'll see what I'm going to do with it, and you can dispose of all the parts that will not be able to be used. Just keep the skin somewhere close. So I'm just going to slice my pineapple up because I'm going to make a little bit of pineapple chow, which I love, and I'm also going to put away some. I am going to freeze it because this is a lot and I don't think that we can eat it out, quickly and I don't want it to go bad. So I'm going to freeze some and I'm going to make some chow with the rest of it. So yeah, you see that core of the pineapple, I also sliced that up and I'm going to add it in a container with the skins because, as I said, I am going to make a really delicious juice with it. Now this juice is really delicious and very nutritious, so you have to try it if you have not already. So here I am actually packing it. I'm going to put this container into my freezer and I can add it to recipes or maybe a smoothie, and pineapple always makes everything taste so delicious. And I'm going to make a simple chow with some of it as well. I just added some frozen green seasoning that I had and some Himalayan pink salt and some black pepper, and that was just simply delicious. So this is about 2 liters or 2.5 liters water, and I added it to a really large pot, and I added all my pineapple skin to this, and of course wash it really well before you boil it. And I also added some cinnamon. That adds a really nice flavor to this juice. And what you want to do is just make sure it cools down completely. When it cools down completely, then you're going to strain it. At this point you can dispose of your skin or you can put it into your compost if you have one, and add sugar if you want to. This is totally optional. If you do not add sugar, it will be a really nice infused drink and is really refreshing and delicious, but I felt like having something sweet on this day, so I added some sugar. Then you can put it into your mug and put it into your fridge, and now you have a really nutritious and delicious drink. So yeah, don't throw away your pineapple skins. So I got this huge Mami Sipo from the farmers market. It was just $25. You all can see how big it is. It is really, really huge, and this is one of my favorite fruits ever, and this was so sweet and so delicious. So you all can check out the farmers market for a variety of fruits. They always have different ones. And Mami Sipo is also called well, we say Mami Sipo, but it's also called Mami Sapote, I believe. So I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. If you all know better, you can always comment down below and correct me. And well, this has some really strange large seeds on the middle, so it's sometimes a little bit difficult to peel. Just take your time, and you want to peel off the outer skin. And I know it seems as though I'm cutting it a little bit deep, but I find like when you cut it too close to the skin, it has this kind of bitter taste close to the skin, so that's why I went a little bit deep with it. But if you like the taste of it, you can go right ahead and cut it and peel it really thin. So there we go. This is so delicious, and I got a lot from this one fruit. So for $25, I find that was really good. So I just peeled half, and I also I just put away the other half and peeled it the next day. So take your time, make sure and don't cut yourself. And there we go, yummy, delicious mame sipo. So guys, check out Farmers Market, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and definitely hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. Hope you liked this one. Bye.